Do you want to know how you can discover the latest music on Spotify? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can discover new music on Spotify. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Go ahead and open Spotify on your phone or your app. Then you can see your interface like this. Click on search, scroll a bit down, and then find discover. Tap on discover and you can see the release radar and discover weekly. If you scroll a bit down, you can also see the top recommendations and some of the artists you listen to. If you want to click on this playlist, you can click on the release radar and you can see some of the newest music which is available. You can start discovering the music this way, or you can also listen to some broader prospects of music and click on discover weekly. You can see there are some songs over here. This way you can discover the newest songs. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.